switch up on you. Girl, that's my only rule. Baby, you gotta loosen up.
I'm giving you one more time. I'm looking you right in your eyes. Girl, you blow my mind. But you gotta loosen up.
I know you want all of you. Never switch up on you. Girl, that's my only rule. Baby, you gotta loosen up.
I'm giving you one more time. I'm looking you right in your eyes.
Because I look a mess, but I just want y'all to know I'm sitting here editing this video for y'all and I don't have sleep. Like, I would record me right here sleeping, but I have one device that I record off of, and it's my phone, and I'm using it. But I just want y'all to know that, like, this is my real school and night routine. Like, I will get in the bed and I will fall asleep, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, y'all, so this probably gonna be the only time I'm gonna talk in this video, because I'm probably gonna do a voiceover, then like play some music or whatever for y'all, because that's what I always do. I am highly embarrassed. My room is a total mess. Honestly, my room isn't nasty. It's unorganized because I work, I go to school, I try to be consistent with YouTube, and when I try on something or I can't find something, guess what I do? I throw it. But anyways, yeah, so I really hope y'all are enjoying this video so far. I love doing this. Say hey.
Hola.
It's bright, ain't it?
What video you making?
I did a night routine video, so I've been recording ever since I got out of school and everything. Alrighty, we'll be back, guys.
Can't even see.
Alright, so hey YouTube, I am back. My room is clean. It looks so much freaking better. Like, either way it goes, I'm just gonna give y'all a quick little glimpse. Sometimes when my room isn't clean, it kind of puts me in a bad mood in the mornings when I wake up. And yes, like, look, it looks so good. I'm so proud of myself. But anyway, so yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Excuse the way I look, but I mean, it's a night routine, so yeah, that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you want to see more videos that I post, subscribe. And if you want to get notified each time I post, just hit the bell. And what I'm gonna do now is lay down, I'm gonna study, I'm gonna watch TV, and I'm gonna go to sleep because it's 11 o'clock now, and I think I started cleaning at like 9 or 10, and I'm tired. So that wraps it up.